Sonnet's Garden Blooms membership group is doing it again. Our Flippin Frenzy for spring is on. Set your reminders for April 22nd and 23rd, where we will be premiering our videos in a round-robin fashion. Each participant sends thrifted items to someone in the group, then we flip those items into new home decor. I'm Cindy, my husband is Chris. Welcome to CnC DIY Factory. Okay, we've got another Flippin Frenzy, folks. This is awesome. This is for April, and I received this box full of goodies from Rachel at Stella Rose Boutique, and we are going to open it together and see what she sent that I get to work with in this video. So you are going to get to see it at the same time I get to see it. So let's just open it up here. Put those scissors away so that I don't hurt myself. This is so exciting. Oh, she sealed that one too. This box is seriously heavy too. I cannot believe how heavy it is. Okay, so she gave me a card, Stella Rose Mercantile. And Cindy, I'm excited to see what you create with these Flippin Frenzy items for spring. Put some DIY and milk paint, extra bond and matte top coat in the bottom. Oh my gosh, items and sprinkled fusion in the spots I could fit in the box. Oh my gosh. So she sent me some DIY, some milk paint, some extra bond, and some matte top coat in the bottom. Oh my gosh, Rachel, this is incredible. I love milk paint. If you know me, you know that I love milk paint. It's my favorite type of paint to work with. I'm excited. And she sent me some extra bond, so I get to try the Painted Photographer, Connie, the method, and of achieving that incredible crackle. I usually don't have any problems with the crackle. I have some techniques that I do, but I'm excited to give Connie's method a try as well and see how it works for me. Lots of peanuts here. So I'm going to probably fast forward through getting all of the peanuts and everything out. So she sent me Carriage House. And oh, French eggshell, that is my favorite. This is my favorite color. Absolutely love that color. And Carriage House. She knows that I love greens, are my favorite colors to work with. Oh, I see some plates in here. And a brass. My gosh, where do I start? Let's start with this one right here. See if I can get this to open. So many goodies. Get my scissors out. She's got them. It looks like it's a glass bottle, maybe. I love working with bottles too. Oh yes, look at that. It is the perfect size and shape to work with. I love it. I love that. We are going to make this look incredible. That is going to be a great piece to work with. Now this looks like a plate. It is not ironstone, which that's okay because I don't want to change an ironstone one. I would have to keep that for myself for sure. It sure is a pretty plate. Look at that. Oh man, that plate is perfect for transfers. A beautiful glossy white plate, perfect for some spring garden transfers, or maybe a direct to transfer, a DTF apparel transfer. I wonder, because I can do that now. That's exciting. We might try that. Woohoo, that's exciting. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Lots of peanuts. Lots of peanuts. Ooh, it looks like a canister. This is exciting. Oh my goodness. She packaged it very well. Oh my gosh, it's a set. A set of bisque fired. They look like they are bisque fired canisters. Wow. What a great blank slate to work with. Oh my goodness. These are going to be fun. So there's one. Oh no, bummer. It's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. It's all good. Maybe, hopefully this made it safely. Oh yes, it did. It's okay. You don't always have to have a lid because it can be just like a flower pot. These bisque fired canisters are fantastic. Okay, let's grab that lid and put it on there. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I love it, I love it. These are, I just saw Connie do something like that with these. She used milk paint on them. That's what's going to go on these. These are great bookends. I love them. Love, love. Perfect, perfect to upcycle. And she got them for $2. Great buy. That is a great buy. Wow, I have so many great things here. And a wonderful brass made in India flower pot. That is wonderful too. And we have a garden party, a vintage garden party. Oh, a nice brush. Fusion mineral paint brush. Very nice. We have a vintage garden party whatnot sale coming up in April. That brass planter would be perfect. And we've got Brooke. Ooh, I haven't seen this color yet. That is a beautiful soft spring green. I like that color a lot. Okay, let's see. Got something else down here. Let's see if I can get to it. We have a DIY that is mint chip. Good color too. Love DIY paint. We have some Sweet Pickins milk paint samples. Basil, yes, I was almost out of basil. Yay, look at this. There's basil. I've wanted patina. Thank you, Rachel. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I wanted pantry door too. Oh my gosh. Bluebird. I have not tried Bluebird yet. I love Flour Sack and Sweetie Jane. Oh my gosh. She is spoiling me. Holy moly. These are colors that I don't have except for that Flour Sack and the basil. I haven't tried these other colors yet. Look at those colors. Beautiful spring colors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Got something hiding in the corner here. We have Lamp White. I don't have that one yet either from Fusion. That'll be fun to play with. And let's see. Another DIY. I think that is oh goodness, Fancy, no, it's not Fancy Farm Girl. Is it Apothecary maybe? I'm not sure. I'll have to look up that color and see. I'm sure you're all yelling at me in the comments. It's this color, it's this color. Look at this. I love this. Love, love, love this. It is going to be perfect for the vintage garden whatnot. Get that all set up with flowers and everything. And this is probably I would say beadboard, vintage linen, or maybe beadboard. I don't think that is White Swan. It's not quite bright enough. And then the top coat and the Sweet Pickins Extra Bond for milk paint adhesion, slick, shiny, and metal surfaces. Yes. I was going to get some, all of those colors, as well as some Extra Bond, but she sent them to me, and I think that's it. So I am so excited to get this, to get some ideas going, and you will see this video coming out in April. I can't wait. See you soon.